There are exactly 15 jobs disappearing in America right now. Not by 2050, not by 2040, by 2030. And the World Economic Forum, McKinsey, Goldman Sachs, and Oxford University all landed on the same list. You have probably worked one of them. Your parents definitely did. And your kids are studying for at least 3 of them right now, without knowing. So today I am walking through every single one in the order they are going first. With the actual data, the news is not showing you. By 2030, 92 million jobs disappear worldwide according to the World Economic Forum. 300 million exposed to automation according to Goldman Sachs. And 15 specific categories are already falling. Here is the actual list. Number 1. Data entry clerks. Automation risk, 95% within the next 2 years. Optical character recognition and language models now read, sort, and enter thousands of documents per hour with fewer mistakes than a trained human. An estimated 7.5 million data entry positions disappear by 2027. This is the fastest collapsing white-collar category in the American workforce. The interesting part, the industry that created this job in the 1970s is now the same industry eliminating it. Every large corporation that built its back office on data entry is now the loudest voice pushing AI adoption. That is the pattern to watch. Number 2. Telemarketers. 99% automation probability according to the Oxford University Frey Osborne study. That is the single highest score of any occupation ever measured in that research. AI voice agents now handle outbound calls, objections, callbacks, and closing scripts. The customer on the other end usually does not know they are speaking to a machine. And that is by design. Companies are not announcing the switch because a real voice converts better than a disclosed AI. The number 2 job on this list is already invisible to the people it targets. Number 3. Medical transcriptionists. This category is not disappearing. It is already gone. 99% of medical transcription is automated in 2026. Hospitals are quietly not replacing anyone who leaves. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 5% decline between 2023 and 2033, but internal hospital data shows the real number is dramatically higher. This is the first job on the list where the collapse already happened, and nobody wrote about it, which is exactly how the next 14 will disappear. Number 4. Customer service representatives. 2.9 million American workers sit in this category, the largest single workforce facing near-term displacement. AI platforms already resolve 70 to 85% of Tier 1 support tickets without a human ever being contacted. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has publicly stated that AI will take over a large share of phone and chat-based support. He was not warning. He was announcing. When the head of the leading AI company tells you a category is finished, that is not opinion, that is a product roadmap. Number 5. Bank tellers. The World Economic Forum lists this as one of the top vulnerable categories in advanced economies. Every mobile banking app downloaded in the last 5 years replaced a person. Bank tellers are not being fired in waves. They are being retired without replacement. In 10 years, the local branch is a lobby with 2 ATMs and 1 manager. That plan is not a prediction. It is already written into branch closure schedules by every major American bank. Here is the part most people miss. The first 5 jobs are what everyone expects: call centers, data entry, bank tellers. But numbers 6 through 15 are where this stops being a factory story and starts walking into the buildings you thought were safe. Number 6. Bookkeepers and accounting clerks. AI-native accounting platforms now handle transaction categorization, reconciliation, accounts payable, payroll, and basic financial reporting for under $300 a month. A single human bookkeeper costs a firm between $40,000 and $60,000 a year. The math already ended the conversation. Firms are not eliminating bookkeepers because of any particular preference. They are eliminating them because the calculator does not sleep, does not take vacation, and does not miss deadlines at tax season. This is number 6 because it is quiet. But it is happening in every accounting office in America right now. Number 7. Cashiers. 65% automation risk. AI-powered checkout systems and computer vision are already at 25% adoption across American retail. Walmart, Target, Kroger, all of them. Self-checkout is not a convenience feature. It is a workforce transition strategy. The cashier position, one of the most common entry-level jobs in the country, is being phased out one aisle at a time, and no chain has ever announced it out loud. Number 8. Paralegals. 80% automation risk by 2026, according to peer-reviewed research. AI tools like Harvey & Co. Counsel now review contracts, run legal research, and draft standard documents with 90% accuracy per Stanford's 2025 study. Paralegal salaries are already declining 10 to 15% in major markets. Law firms are not eliminating the role entirely. They are shrinking the headcount and paying the survivors less. That is the pattern to expect across every category on this list. Number 9. Legal researchers. 65% automation risk by 2027. This is the entry point into a legal career. It is where every attorney used to start. AI has taken that ladder away. The consequence, over the next decade, is a legal profession with almost no bottom rung, which means the next generation of lawyers will not exist unless the industry redesigns how it trains people. And the industry is not redesigning anything. Number 10. Translators. Routine business translation, technical documents, and standardized communications are now handled almost entirely by AI. Human translators remain in demand for literary work, diplomacy, and complex medical interpretation. Everything else is finished. Freelance rates for basic translation dropped by more than half between 2022 and 2026. This is a category that had a strong middle class for 40 years. The middle disappeared in 3. Number 11. Copywriters and content writers. This is why the Writers Guild of America went on strike for 148 days in 2023. That fight was not about pay, it was about the right not to be replaced. Marketing agencies now use AI to produce blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, and email campaigns at 10% of previous cost. Forrester Research projects. 11,000 advertising agency jobs will be replaced by AI by 2030. The people who write for a living are the canary in a much larger mine. Number 12. Junior insurance underwriters. First pass risk assessments, standard policy quotes, and routine claims are moving to AI in every major American insurer. New graduates who took underwriting jobs in 2022 expecting a career now find their entire job description handled by software before they open the file. This is what the pattern looks like from the inside. You do not get fired. Your job simply stops arriving at your desk. Look at who is on this list so far. Cashiers, bookkeepers, paralegals, bank tellers, insurance clerks. These are not obscure jobs. These are the jobs your parents had, the jobs your neighbors have, the jobs your kids are studying for right now. That is the pattern the news coverage keeps missing. This is not a story about factories in another state. This is a story about the paycheck coming to your door. Number 13, radiology technicians performing routine scans. This one is new to the list. AI diagnostic tools now read standard X-rays, mammograms, and basic CT scans with accuracy matching or beating human radiologists on many specific tasks. The technicians who prepare and run these scans face steady displacement pressure by 2030. Hospitals are not firing radiologists. They are shrinking the support layer around them, which means the medical technology track many families push their kids into is quietly disappearing while the family is still paying tuition for it. Number 14. Junior market research analysts. The World Economic Forum found that 53% of a junior analyst's daily tasks are already automatable by current AI. 53%. Meanwhile, a senior analyst's tasks are only 9% automatable. The pattern here is important. AI is not eating the top of the org chart. It is eating the bottom. It is eating the entry level, which means the pipeline for the next generation of senior analysts is being erased before those analysts can even start their careers. Number 15. Junior software developers. This is the one nobody wanted to hear. In April 2025, the CEO of Anthropic, one of the leading AI companies in the world, publicly stated that AI will be writing essentially all code within 12 months, not helping write. Writing. 12 months. A 2025 World Economic Forum report projects 40% of programming tasks are automatable by 2040, but the sharpest pain is arriving right now. Junior developer job postings in the United States dropped by more than 30% between early 2024 and mid-2026. The industry that told every college kid to learn to code is now the same industry replacing the college kid who learned to code. That is the list. 15 categories, 92 million positions globally by 2030, and here is what none of the reports say out loud. The 15 jobs on this list share one thing that matters more than the risk percentages. They are jobs where the work is routine, structured, and easy to check. Where a machine can do the same thing every day without judgment. The jobs that survive, and there are many, are the jobs that require negotiation, physical presence, real accountability, complex human trust, and messy, real-world decisions that cannot be reduced to a script. The nurses, the electricians, the plumbers, the therapists, the teachers, the skilled trades, the senior specialists, the people who show up in a body in a room with a decision that costs something if they are wrong. So those are the 15. Now you know what is actually going away, in what order, and why. Subscribe if this showed you something the news never will. Every week I cover one more thing. The system quietly hopes you do not find out, and tell me in the comments, which of these 15 jobs are you in right now, or which one is your kid studying for? I read every reply.